Hi, I'm Sharif from 4G Motorsports in the sales department. I just want to introduce you to our 2024 Argo XRT 1000 LE. This Argo XRT features a 997cc four-stroke engine with an SOHC twin cylinder. It's an EFI fuel system and liquid cooled. The bore is 92 and the stroke is 75 millimeters. Compression ratio is 10.2 to 1. It features electric start and override button, CVT automatic shaft drive, front and rear differential function, and it has two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and a differential lock. For any questions or inquiries, give me a call at 4G Motorsports or come see us at 355 Mackenzie Boulevard in Gregoire.